So today we're going to be putting a track bar relocation bracket on a Jeep JK. This helps it drive better and handle better, and it puts the bar a little bit more straighter. Don't forget to check out the merch store. I have a bunch of stuff on there. There's free shipping on all orders until September 17th. Don't forget to go check out the video Jeeping in a Ghost Town. It's pretty interesting, so go check that out. First thing you want to do is go ahead and take the bolt out of your track bar. Just make sure the Jeep's flat on the ground. Go ahead and put the bracket up on there. It just slips over top. And you put your U-bolt through there. Go ahead and put the washers and nuts on them. Might have to tap it with a hammer. It's a little tight. My bracket was used. It came off a wrecked Wrangler. It's pretty much brand new, so couldn't find any videos online, so I thought I'd make one. Then I like to anti-seize everything that I take off. That way in the future, it's super easy to get off. Then you want to go ahead and put your spacer in the original track bar location. It has a flag nut on the back, so go ahead and tighten it down. I like to get it super tight. And then don't forget about the 2 location mounts right here behind your shock. Now these are a pain in the hind end, but with a little bit of work, you can get them. I'd start with the top one first. So everything is tight here. So let's go ahead and put the track bar up in here. I might have to peck it down with a hammer, but it should line right up. And then you put your bolt through. This is a cam bolt, so make sure it is lined up, and you can move it around to adjust the body. And I had to use a wrench to tighten the nut up. It's pretty tight back there. What you're left with, it's not super straight, but it makes a difference.